Hello and welcome back to my channel, Kids at Heart Toys. I'm here with another opening. I found this at Walmart when I went shopping, and it is the LOL Surprise, the Bling series. And it looked really cool, and I figured it's glitter. I had to pick one up. It's really cool because the outside too has this little like tassel. So it's almost like this is like a, I don't know, this reminds me of like a disco ball, you know, you have it dangling. But anyway, I wanted to see what was inside, so how about we get started and open it up. I've never seen the Bling series before. They might have been out for a while, I just don't know. So see, whee, disco ball, or whatever. Oops. Hey, I handled that fine. Disco ball, whee. Okay, so we'll see who's in here. I don't know. It wouldn't be a true LOL doll if it wasn't hard to start opening. So yeah. There we go. Getting it. Whee! That's the first layer. Shows a cute picture. Okay. This says Glitter Party. Glitter Party. Okay. Has anybody gotten these before? Anybody that watches my channel? I've never had one. I was just curious if anybody else has gotten these. And does anybody know how long these have been out? I didn't know if this was a new thing or not. Ref. Hang on a minute. Oh, I just heard kitty noises and wasn't sure what was going on. Oh, okay, this is interesting. This looks kind of fun, actually. Here we go. Oh my word, this won't come off. Okay, good. Whee. Okay, and of course the same things that they usually have. Yeah. Okay, that's that. And third one. It has a clear ball. That's interesting. I don't know what that means. Yeah. There we go. Oh my goodness. So that's what it looks like. And I didn't expect that. To be honest, I did not expect that at all. Very cool. I think that's cool. It has a see-through thing. Okay, I'm going to try to open up this part now. There's the opening. Okay. Oh, of course. Of course. Okay, here we go. Open it. This is not like has the really cool compartments that you can open up, but it has nice little wrapping. Ooh, there's some stuff. If I just sit up here, you can sort of see it. I'm gonna look at the things first. Because they have the booklet. I don't know if I'm going to really care about the booklet. I'm just going to take a quick peek. Alright. Okay. Sorry, I was just looking at it. Okay, I'm going to look at this. You glow, girl. So I guess these are the different ones. Has that little side, and then it has this side, and they all glitter, which is really cool. I just have no idea which one I'm gonna get. So very nice. And then there's a rare and an ultra rare. The Splash Queen is ultra rare, and the Sugar Queen is rare. I've always wanted to get Splash Queen. I never ever got the Splash Queen, but I don't think this is Splash Queen. So okay, so cool wrappings. Silvery, really pretty. So let's see see what's in this. Oh, there's the shoes. Oh, I like them already. I like them already. They're gorgeous. I can use shoes. Shoes, look how glittery they are. So cute. I'm gonna put those there. I don't know what this is. Is the bottle. I should know that. Oh, it's got a little bit of sparkle in the rim. It's a white and pink bottle. Very cute. I'm trying to guess what this is. I shouldn't do that now. But I am trying to guess who this is. Okay, anyway. This is something. Find out what this is, I think. Oh, glasses. She got glasses. These are an accessory. This will help narrow it down, I'm sure. So, ooh, sorry, you couldn't see them. Glasses. Yeah, I'm thinking I know who this is now. And I can't believe it. It's funny. Okay. Because when they did one of the series, I kept getting multiples and multiples of this particular doll. So now I have the glitter form of her. Yay! But here's her outfit. It's really pretty though. I'm alright with it because it's really, really... Oh, I'm sorry. Here's her outfit. I don't know why I can't get it in the camera. This is really pretty. So I'm alright with that. But it is hilarious because this happened to be the doll on that specific series that I was getting multiple of. I must have had 4 or 5 of this same doll. And now I got the glitter version, but that's okay. I'm alright. Now who am I talking about? Bun Bun. I got Bun Bun, but she's gorgeous. She looks better than when I tried to glitter her myself. I didn't do too bad, but still. I'm trying to get her together. Look how sparkly she is. Wow. They definitely know how to glitter up their babies, that's for sure. Okay, so I'm gonna get her dressed. I don't know how well you can see it on there. I'll try to keep her in focus here. Okay, get your little skirt on. It's always been fun to dress these. Not. Okay, come on. Wow. You are having issues. I'm getting it though. I'm getting it. Getting it. Slow. Oh, I don't want to push on her head, that's for sure. Oh my goodness, come on. Get up. Get up. Okay, finally I got it on. Yay! Got that part on. Now this part. Ooh, there's glitter all over my table. Okay. One side. This has always been tricky. The other one. She's very pretty though. Look at that. I love it. I'm gonna get her shoes on. I think I'm gonna get her shoes on. Where's the other shoe? Oh, there you go. There's your other shoe. And your glasses. Why not? Let's put your glasses on too. Glasses. There we go. There she is, completely outfitted. Bun Bun! Bun Bun! Isn't she cute? I do like her. I'm totally happy. Totally happy I have her. So I have Bun Bun. And now I always forget to get water to see what she does. So just a minute. I'm gonna try to stand her here. Stand her here. And I'll be right back and get some water. Okay, I'm back. I have some water. Sorry if you can't see it. But I'm going to take her glasses off just because I don't want to get them wet. So I'm going to dunk her in and I'll see. Let's see what she does. I think I know what she does, but do I have any in there? Okay, ready? I think I'll move this up. There. See what she does. It's like she cries. Wait, was that spitter or crier? Let me see. I gotta do it again because I wasn't watching. making a mess, I know that. Okay. Ooh. Yep, it's a crier. I just can't get enough water in her. Let's try it one more time. I think I gotta get enough water now. Ooh. Can you see it? I don't know if you can see it, but she's crying. She's crying. She's really unhappy. And she's getting it all over my table. Well, okay. Let's just get you dry. There. She's all cried out. So, yep, that's Bonbon. She's a crier. And that's what I got for my Bling series. I'm not terribly unhappy. She is adorable. And here's her. Oh, she fell backwards. Here's Bonbon with her bottle. So that'll do it for my toy opening for this day today. LOL Surprise Bling series. Bonbon! And I have to now wipe up her tears. They're all over my table. Alright, so thanks so much for watching. Alright, thanks so much for watching. If you like videos like this, feel free to subscribe. I do toy openings, toy reviews, and other things related to toys. So thanks for watching. Keep having fun, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!